Hello, friends. This is question number 17, and I guess this is the last question related to this RSCE 294 exam version 9. So, question is create logical volume name data of 1500 M size from volume group research. Verify if VG not exists, then it should debug message VG not found, and 1500 LV size is not existed, then debug the message insufficient size of VG. If logical volume is created, then assign file system as ext4. Do not perform any mounting for this LV. The playbook name is lvm.yml and run on all nodes. Okay, so in the exam, guys, you will not have to create this volume group. It will be created already, so you just have to perform these tasks to fulfill the requirement. Okay, so in our lab, I just want to show you, if you do not have mm, this research group, how you can create, and then you can proceed with the question and practice it. Okay, so first of all, I just want to show you that these are my nodes, and I only have attached uh, some additional disk to node 3 and node 4, but all other nodes don't have additional disk. So like I can show you this here. Let me clear it so that you could see it. LSBLK, and look here, this is the additional disk I have attached. Okay, so how you can do that? This is L9, and this is NVMe. So in that case, you have to power it off first, and then you will go to settings, and from here you will hit add, and then you will go to next, like this, and then next, and then you will select NVMe, because in this case you have NVMe, and then next, and then you will put the size, and then save it and come out. I'm not going to do this because I have already done this. So in my case, it's here, and then same way you can do in another node. uh, like I have just given 2 GB size to this disk, and to I can show you that I have given 1 2 3 4, and then let me clear it again. LSBLK, I've given 2 GB size to disk, and I have given 3 GB to disk second on node 3. So this is how you can give additional disk just to practice at home. Then what you will have to do, you will have to create PV. Okay, so for that, what you'll do, either you become root, but if you want to use student, because we have already assigned sudo power this, so you can use this command. You will just run this command. uh, to create a partition. This is NVMe 0 and 2. Okay, you will run this command, and I'm not going to run because I already have done this. And then first you will do this. Okay, so then, sorry, it's F disk, and then you will hit N, then uh, P, then you can take, I mean, second. Okay, I'm gonna create one for you. Okay, so it will second primary partition, so it will automatically take it. Either you can put it also, it's up to you. So this is the first sector size. Then I can give like 500 because I don't know how much space I have here. So I'm just showing you, okay? Like I'm gonna put this one and then hit P and sorry, small P, and then you can see here. And then if you wanna change its type to Linux LVM, then you will have to hit T, and then its hex code is 80. You can uh, go and check it you hitting the L, but I remember it, so it's sorry, it's second partition is asking a partition. Yes, here you can put either L to check the type, and I already know, so I'm going to give it 8E is small. Then hit W. Then you have to run this command so that table should get updated, partition table. So in this way you will do this, and then you will, because I have already created VG, but in the exam you do not have to do this step, okay? So in exam will be given research, it could be any, but I have already created research, so I'm going to hit research one, right? It's here, VG create partition. Oh, sorry, we have to put, let me show you one thing. LSBLK, yeah, it's P2, right? So we have to initialize it first. PV create, and then we are going to put 2 here, right? Yes, it's done. Let me clear it, and then we will put P2 is done, and then you can check sudo vgs, right? We have research. I have already created research just to show you, but I showed you this again. This is how you can create in your uh, at home to practice for this question. But in the exam scenario it will already be created, but we only have to create LV, and you can see we don't have LV here, okay? So let's move to our control node. Oh, sorry, we were actually, I did not SSH. Okay, let me go to control node. I'm here, so I have to run my playbook. I already ran it, so command must be here, like this one. In my case, my playbook name is LV. You can give any name, but in the exam, you have to use the name which will be given in the exam. Okay, so I'm gonna run it. Yes. So next, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I'll explain it, playbook, but I know I haven't explained it yet, but I just wanted to show the result that this is what they want us to do. And look here, mm, let me clear it. LSBLK hyphen F. Look here. When we go to node 3, we are here. And when we run this command, lsbk hyphen F, look here, data is created, right? And its file system is ext4. So if I SSH to node 4, again run this command, here you can see data is created, LV data is created, and I can show you, there is another way you can see this LVS. So this is our data, LV name. Okay, I've just shown you the result. Now I'm gonna explain the playbook, and it will be easier for you to understand now. Oh, sorry, we are on node 4 while we should have been on control node. So look here, lv.yml. So this is a playbook, and now I'm going to explain it. Okay, hyphen host all tasks, because now you have already seen the result. It will be easier for you to understand it now. So I have done this way. I have written a main block, and under that block I have given this another block, and my first task is create LV of 1500M. This is the module name, lvol, and then VG, as in the question is already given, research, and the LV name they have also mentioned here, where we have to create LV name data, right? So everything is given. You have to follow the same instruction, and you have to do accordingly. So here LV name is data, size is 1500 M. When this is a condition, Ansible underscore lvm dot vgs dot vsearch dot size underscore g greater than 1500 MIB. Okay, so this is the syntax you will have to memorize and practice a lot. So this is how you will write your first block, and second block is if it is display message VG size is insufficient. If playbook doesn't find this size, it should display this message, insufficient size of VG, and this is the requirement given in the exam. And then when ansible underscore lv dot vgs dot vsearch dot size underscore g less than 1500 MIB, okay, then this message should display. And then second task is create LV of 800M. If this is not available 1500, then it should create this one, lvol vg research LV data size 800M when ansible underscore lvm dot vgs dot research dot size underscore g less than 1500 MIB. Okay, so once you are done with this, and next task is you have to format the file system. You have to format this LV with the ext4 file system. So in that case, module is file system, and if you don't know the syntax, you can use ansible hyphen docs case file system, and you can get this syntax. Fs type equal to ext4, then your path is slash, this is a keyword dev, then slash dev slash research slash data. This is our research is our VG, and data is our LV name. Okay, so when ansible underscore lvm dot vgs dot research is defined, okay, you have to put this here. Then second one is display message device not found. If device is not there, then this message should display. And when ansible underscore lvm dot vgs dot research is not found, guys, uh, he doesn't ask you to mount this, but if he asks you, then in that case you will have to write another task, and you can take the syntax from ansible underscore ansible hyphen doc and space mount. Then you can put that there, and you can create that task. Okay, but he will not ask you, I think. Then this is done. Now again I'm gonna run. Okay, save this, and then and again run that, so that you have a better idea now. So it's green because we already ran this playbook, right? So everything is good. Look here where it didn't find the size, it's a VG not found, right? Display message device not found. Where on these node, remember 1, 2, 5, we don't have device. We only added additional one on node, additional one on node 3 and 4, right? But look here, and where he didn't find 1500 m, it's a insufficient size of VG, and where it find, it didn't say this, it didn't display this message. Okay, so everything is good. So once we are done with this, you can just, I already show you can SSH to that, or you can run this command and see everything is there. And maybe you run this command lvs, oh sorry, quotes. Yeah, look here. So here you can see that on node 5 we do not have, okay, because we do not have addition. But on node 3 you can see data, lv data is created on vg research, and it should be on node 4 also, but not on node 2 or 1. Okay, look here. So we are good. This is how you can check it. And if you want to check file system, then you can, because we have also ls blk space hyphen f. So it will show you the file system as well. So I'm going to show on node 1 we don't have, but on it should be on node 3 and 4. Node, look here, node 3 and 4, right? This is 4. So where is node 1, node 2, node 4 is 1 NVM 2. Look here, this is ext4, so it's good, right? And it should be same on node 3 also. If you find it difficult, you can, if you find it difficult to view it, then you can SSH to that node where you find that it has been created. Then you can run this command just to make it sure. Okay, so look here, it's here, ext4 here. So you can also go one by one, or you can do, on all. It's up to you. So guys, this was the solution to this question. And if you feel like that this is useful and helpful for you, please share this video so that other people should also get benefit out of it. And then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you could get the newer stuff I'm gonna create for you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.